No, I ain't naked. I mean, I got triple A's, but hey, they there.
Right.
What it do, Jazzaboos? This is your girl Jackie with Jazzets, and if you're already a subscriber, then hey, how you doing? You already know what it is. If you are new and this is your first time seeing my lovely face, then you can go ahead and kick off your shoes and relax your feet. Hit the like and subscribe because it's free. Yeah, it's free. So go ahead and like and subscribe, become a part of the fam, because there's never a dull moment. And today we are gonna be, no, I ain't naked. I mean, I got triple A's, but hey, they there. But today we are going to be doing a video on what I bought and what I received. Yeah, let me say it again. What I purchased and what I was delivered. Two different things. No. So if you want to see, then you stay tuned. Stay tuned. Okay, we're gonna start off with this onesie. It would have been okay. I mean, I didn't know it was gonna look so cheap, but maybe I don't have enough body for it. But as you can see, I got a little versatile in there because I just decided to go ahead and work in it one day because I was like, you know what, I'm over it. And I wanted it tighter, but as you can see, this is what I have a problem with. Like, it looks like a curtain material, a tablecloth material, poorly made. Look at that. Just look at it. Like, no, ain't no way. Like, I mean, I have no problem with Family Dollars because I got a nice bra from Family Dollars one time, honey. Don't do me. And that was one of the best bras I ever bought in my life, in my younger years, what type thing. But this looked like it came straight from Family Dollars, okay? In a bad way, because Family Dollars be having some nice stuff in there. Y'all know me, I shop at Goodwill sometimes because I don't let nothing make me, I make it. Booyah. But anyway, like I said, hey, this is what I got. It was supposed to be like well, what I looked at was like a cotton material, and like it was very well made, all of that. Nice little band thing up here, but this is what I received, honey. Yeah, this is what came in the mail. So yeah, I mean, it's nice to walk around in and everything, but this right here, this was a no for me right here. So that, I ain't be able to do this. Like I said, I walk around the house in it. But yeah, and I didn't get a picture of this. I didn't even save a picture of this because I was for sure this thing was going, I knew this was gonna work, but Mari said that was a lie. So okay, let's go to our next piece of clothing. I don't even know why I want to call them clothing. Some BS. Now this right here, y'all might say, oh, it don't look bad, but this is not how this was supposed to look. This was supposed to look like, again, cotton material, which this is not cotton. It's that same rinky-dink tablecloth material. And this, I don't even know why. Some of the stuff I do not even have the pictures for because I was just that disgusted. And somehow when I was making room for more content, I said, okay, I don't need these no more. And I deleted it or whatever. Before I even thought, hey, why didn't I do what I bought and what I got video? But hey, you get the gist. This is not what I paid for. Now I had a whole boat and different sizes of these sitting out in the garage because I'm not supposed to put this on my site. But yeah, and this is a small. Let me put it down for you because y'all probably saying that ain't even bad, but this didn't do it for me. Because the one that I saw, it looked so elegant. This make you look like a jailhouse or something. This don't look like something is wrong. The print, it's not working for me. It's not working, not for me. It just looked wrong. But this is what I got. It was supposed to be a nice little catsuit type thing that looked elegant. The one that I saw was very elegant. This is not that. This is what's going on? This is definitely a lot like that. Don't mind my little schoolboy back there, because I'm a whole teacher from 7:15 to 2:30. You heard me? Okay, a whole teacher. Now my teacher board right there. This is a classroom slash Jazzets, you know, in the daytime, in the morning. But yeah, so yeah, this doesn't work for me. No, it don't. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to the next item. And some of this stuff I'm gonna try to put, you know, pictures if I can find something similar or whatever. But this is not it. No. The print, it just look wrong. Like, it reminds me of Beetlejuice. It reminds me of Beetlejuice. You know the music with the little man with the little head sitting in the witch doctor office. That movie. That's what this thing on jumpsuit, onesie or whatever you call it, remind me of. Damn Beetlejuice. And no, I'm not fixing to be juicing it. I'm sorry. I ain't gonna be able to do it. Let's go to the next piece. Okay, I can't even really find no words for this, because I'm just gonna let y'all, somebody come take a look at this. Just take a look at this. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all how this looks. Y'all probably say, "Ooh, girl, that's cute," but this ain't even the same color. The print it looked like the same thing, but child, when I tell you something is wrong, the stitchings, something they didn't do right. Something is not coming together, because it looked so very much different on the picture that I saw. Oh my goodness. And the sad thing about it is, I ain't even get the belt. They ain't even send the belt. How that work? How do that work? This is how it's supposed to look. Ain't that cute? That's sexy as can be. Don't wet that. Okay, this is the next one. I know y'all saying, "Ooh, that's cute." Whatever. Don't nobody want to hear that, because when I put this thing down, you can see exactly what I'm talking about. See, I don't know why these AAAs don't want to stay up. Mind your business. But honey, yes, you know what I did? I'm gonna show you this first, and then I'll tell you the story. Let me see if I can down this thing without it. Now see here, anybody tell you to move. Let me see what I'm doing wrong. Oh, okay. But you see this here? You see that right here? You see, that's me right there. Why it's made like this? I don't know. What is a Christmas card? Why it's made like this? I don't know. But this is supposed to be a cute little cat suit, and it ain't true to size. All of them hang down like this. Yes, I have multiple of these, because this is stuff that I was ordering for my site that didn't make the cut. So hey, if you think you can pull it off, maybe I just ain't got enough body to put in here, but if you think you can pull it off, let me know and you can purchase one. But I'm not putting this on my site. Sorry. No, I ain't gonna be able to do it. It just looked wrong. Like, look at that. And this is my size. I tried to put it on a small, but hell, the small just feel too little. I don't know what size it was going off, but this ain't it. That ain't it. I ain't gonna be able to do it. Not on my site. What the what? Everything jacked up today. I don't know what's going on. But yeah, it's cute. But that part right there, I ain't be able to get jiggy with it. So you know what I did do? I took one and I cut the legs off. Yes, I sure did. You know what? I'm starting to think now, maybe I could put this on with some shorts so it'll hide all of that. It'll still be cute. You know, people wearing whole bodysuits and stuff now. Yeah, even the hands cover type thing. But I cut the legs off one, and I'll try to insert that video that I did with how to wear a brooch in here. That was this thing under here where I cut the legs off, and I put on, I had pants on top of it. Did I have pants on? No, skirt. But anyway, I'll show you the video. But yeah. Mari said that was a lie. I don't order anything, and I think I got this off of what it's called, moon something. Them China people. I can't. I ain't ordered the clothes since. Well, I did order stuff, but that was legit, and it was a whole nother company type thing. But these people, ain't gonna be able to do it. So I got one more item, which you just hold up. You see. Okay, this the last one. Well, there's so much stuff that I have ordered. Like this headband, it was a belt from one of the things I ordered, but at that time I was so disgusted, I threw all of them away. It had to been like 7, because I usually order 2 or 3 of everything and whatever. It had to been like 7 or 8 of them or whatever, because 2 of them I cut up trying to make it into something else so it wouldn't look so bad. But I saved the belt and I just wear it as a headscarf. You know, that would have been cute, right? And a onesie or something like that. But it fit all wrong. And I was like, you know what? I'm over it. And the sad thing about it is I bought all of this stuff together, and I was like, I just lost a lot of money. But I'm over it. Like, I'm so used to that. When you got a business, you taking a chance ordering, especially when you order from over there. But yeah, this is the one that I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna kill him with this. I posted it. I was like, yeah, I'm fixing to order these. Boom. Yeah, that's when what Megan and Beyonce, that song was out. I was like, hey, they're gonna wear this and whatever, and bop bop bop. And I got it and realized it was that cheap material, not like the one I seen on the little model. Yeah, let me show you. And this is a small, and this is how this fits. My regular size is a medium. This is a small, and you see how this fits? Like a damn baby onesie. Like if I wear it where it's supposed to be like that, then it's bunched up right here. Like I said, maybe I ain't got enough body for it, but still, it's that flimsy tablecloth material. And it ain't what I thought it was gonna be. Like, and I have a whole bunch. Like these, I have, what? Look at that. Just look at that. So these or whatever. Because I know there's a lot of ratchet people out there that, hey, they look at this and be like, boom. Some people, you know, they got more body and everything. They'll fill this thing right on out and don't mind, you know, putting on that. But me, I ain't gonna be able to do it. So again, I'm not gonna put it on my site because, like I said, I stand behind everything and the quality. Like, I was looking for something like a more cottony feel or whatever. Like, it's still cute. Like, I sleep in this. I walk around the house like this all the time. But I'm not just to walk around with this. I ain't gonna be able to do it. Excuse my ashy knees. Is they ashy? No, they ain't ashy. They just look like that. But yeah, I ain't gonna be able to do that. That right there. Look at that. Bam, bam, bam. I ain't gonna be able to do it. But yeah. I wish I had kept all those pictures so y'all can see how it's supposed. Well, I got the picture of this, so I'm gonna insert it somewhere. But damn me, I'm being nosy again. But no, like when you selling clothes, it's too much work trying to figure out, okay, ooh, let me order from this place or whatever. Are they stuff legit, or you run the chance on you getting it and it don't be nothing like what you thought it was gonna be, or either it's too high. Like, it's so many wholesale places or whatever. Like, are you serious? For the price you trying to sell it to me, I ain't gonna make no profit trying to sell it, because I'm not gonna overcharge people on stuff. So that's another story. But yeah, I just wanted to share a little bit with y'all. And y'all already seen the last video, not the last video, a couple videos ago where I got this here. These lashes here. This is what I wanted right here. And this is what I got. And I'm just getting reimbursed to get my money, some of my money back from that. So I am completely over it. You hear me? I'm over it. I'm gonna stick with what I know. If I can't touch it, if it ain't a vendor that somebody else can verify that I know and trust, I ain't gonna be able to do it. Because I ain't gonna be able to do it. So this is the end of this video. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna order some more stuff that ain't gonna be nothing like what I thought it was gonna be, but hey, that's just life. But thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos, because you already know I'm gonna push them out to you. You can get them one way or another. You heard me? Yes, you are. So if you made it this far, go ahead and give me my like and go ahead and subscribe, because you in there now, baby. You in there. you part of the family now. You my YouTube cousin. Yeah, my YouTube cousin. Let me get $5. But anywho, stay tuned for more videos and hit the bell if you want to miss all this. Y'all know y'all need to laugh every now and again. So till the next video, remember to be you, because only you can do it best.
Right.